All of us know that Salman Khan is a man most loved and revered in Bollywood and many of the regional cinemas as well. Salman Khan is currently busy with the shoot of the film Sultan, produced by Yash Raj Films. For Sultan, Salman Khan underwent a complete change of look. His new look has been loved and admired by many, and one such picture that has been shared is the Sultan, Salman Khan and Bhau Kadam. Bhau Kadam is one of the most talented comic actor of Marathi regional television industry. He's part of the show Chala Hawa Yeoun Dya. It is a comedy show hosted by Nilesh Sabre but has Bhau Kadam as a recurring performer. Episodes feature Marathi film and theatre celebs and guests from Marathi film and theatre industry to promote their latest films or plays. Maybe Salman Khan is planning to go to that show to promote Sultan. Whatever the case be, we like this selfie. Well, when it comes to Gen Next, we can only say that they are indeed rocking and partying hard, huh? Recently, we saw these pics of Big B's granddaughter Navya Nanda and it really created a flutter on social media. Yeah, have a look at the gal against the background of the blue sea. We can only say that the genes show and we are seeing it in the attitude that she is flaunting. Whoa, ain't she a real stunner? For all Jaya Bhadri's spunk and Amit Ji's charisma, his daughter's gal is surely pepping it up. It is all about revving it up and how, ain't it? So are we gonna see Navya joining film soon? Why not, with the next generation kids like SRK's son and so many others growing up? Things are really looking bright in Bollywood, hai na? The stories about Sultan's heroine will now cease as the production house Yash Raj Films have finally chosen the heroine of the film. After Salman Khan had vetoed on Parineeti Chopra and Ankita Lokhande, news about who will play the lead opposite Salman Khan had become quite interesting. The film's schedule of shoot had started and yet the lead actress was not finalized. It is said that Aditya Chopra and Salman Khan have been having long discussions on who will play the lead opposite Salman Khan, and finally it was Anushka Sharma. But not many know that Priyanka Chopra too was considered and she was the top contender, but Salman Khan wanted a fresh pairing and PC and Salman have worked in Mujhse Shaadi Karogi and Got to See Great Ho. It was believed that PC was considered because she has the prowess to carry on the role, but then Anushka Sharma got it. Bollywood goes the Hollywood way. This seems to be the trend in Filmistan. After we had Priyanka Chopra, we now have our own Piku getting ready for a role in Hollywood movie. Didn't we tell you that Deepika's pick with the Fast and Furious star Vin Diesel was not without a reason? So now watch Dippy Baby steam it out as Cage's girlfriend in the flick XXX, The Return of Xander's Cage. Yeah, and if reports are to be believed, Deepika is really out to prove a point with a real hot sexy avatar. Ain't that oh so cool? As for the fans, well, they've had the best of the star in Piku, Tamasha and Bajirao Mastani, so they would surely love a change in the form of a Hollywood stint, what say? So for all of you wondering about Salman and his relationship and whether Yulia is his belle or not, and if he's getting married or not, here is the big news. Salman has now finally spoken about the true soulmate in his life. Yeah, on the sets of Bigg Boss where we had Pulkit Samrat and Divya Khosla promoting their upcoming Sanam Re, we had them talking about their soulmates and how important they are in our lives. So we had Salman answering Divya's question on true soulmates that he lives on his joote ke sole ke bal par. That is so Salman, and if Divya had no idea of Bhai's humor, then she sure got a taste of it bang on. As for his soulmate, Salman keeps us guessing, and how? It only remains to be seen what Salman would surprise us with now, a shaadi or yet another new flick, hai na? Karan Singh Grover and Jennifer Winget were once the most sought after couple of television. They had an amazing chemistry and loads of fans. They got hitched, but then Karan with his Casanova style moved on and ditched Jennifer. They broke up and they are getting divorced. The elite girlfriend of Karan is Bipasha. Both have denied their relationship and have maintained that they are good friends, but there's so many holiday pictures which paint another story. But it is Jennifer who's making things quite clear. She gave a statement to media where she has expressed that she's separating with Karan, who has moved on in life, and she's not asking for any hefty sum of alimony. Rather, she's happy for Karan, who has moved on in life. This clearly hints at the Karan and Bipasha Basu's relationship. The mushy love of KSG and Jenny came to an end, but Jenny doesn't want to get into any war of words. Hats off to you, lady. Yes, the moment we were all waiting for has come. Bigg Boss 9 is famous for its film promotions and star presence. Well, now get ready for some dhamakedar appearances when Katrina Kaif would come to promote her upcoming Charles Dickens movie Fitoor. Remember how Ranbir had avoided coming on stage with Salu when it was only Deepika who had come to promote Tamasha? Well, obviously, Katrina would be feeling awkward to come before Salman in public view. But didn't we hear that Kat also met Salman on the sets of Bigg Boss 9 and was perhaps discussing a role in Sultan? Yeah, but now she's not a part of Sultan and is purely coming professionally to promote Fitoor. So how would the meeting be for this love-hate jodi of Bollywood, and would Salman reserve his saucy statements and let her pass, or would he make sure he makes his feelings evident? Stay tuned. Salman Khan has been in the news always for some reason or the other, and lately the bhaichara between him and Shah Rukh is being spoken about a great deal. However, when it comes to hosting an award show, it was Salman who won over the deal, and apparently Salman Khan scored over Shah Rukh Khan and is gonna host the show. So get set and zoom to be in the Filmfare Awards with the Dabangg Bhaijan, who has been paid a whooping rupees 2.5 crores to host it. OMG, that comes close to around 1 crore an hour. Whoops, with SRK out of the award shows, it is spelling the end of King Khan era in the hosting shows. Well, we all are very excited about Salman Khan and his Sultan role, aren't we? But weren't we even more excited to see the lead heroine to be Anushka Sharma? Okay, so now get the next bit of the news from us that the next to be added to the Sultan team is Amit Saad. Yes, the hero should surely be a happy one, as it is Amit who would be the younger Salman in the upcoming muscle flexing flick. So what happened to Ayushmann, who was the initial choice? Well, apparently the Pani the Rang singer felt threatened by Salman's presence and he did not accept to be the younger Sultan. So get set and be ready to see Amit Saad as a younger version of our own Bhai and enjoy the feel of seeing the young one imitate our Dabangg Bhaijan. OMG, is it even possible that someone as hefty and strong like Salman could be due? Well, wow, that is what seems to have happened with the very generous and Dabangg Salu. Apparently, Salman was the best bet one could have had for the cross-border flick. Add to this the wonderful recommendation of Harshali by Salman nailed it for the team. But imagine not being paid for the stupendous role in spite of so many months having passed is really something that is unimaginable. But this is what has happened to the star. Salman has not yet been paid for this memorable role and the name of Dabangg Bhaijan has stuck, but Salman has not got his dues. This is being really inhuman with such a talented actor. So what is Salman waiting for? And why is he not doing anything about it? Knowing Salu well, he surely would have the right reasons, hai na?